going on, everyone, everywhere? Never fail. Look at Jay's here, back with another sneaker review. Today's a sneaker review slash unboxing. We're gonna unbox these. I had these for about a week now. I haven't got to it. These came out. These got to me last week on Friday. Today's Wednesday. Just haven't been in the mood of making sneaker reviews. I just did that video and Jim Bean's pickup, and those came in, I forgot when, I think maybe Saturday. I think Saturday. So yeah, this is how they sent them. Artifacts. So they come pretty solid as far as like taping them. Trying to not cut myself. And I like that the inside of the box, you know, has this pattern going on in there, so it gives you a nice treat of what you're getting. You know, really protected the delivery and whatnot of these boxes. So here they are. You get these out. Must have knocked the camera over. So yeah, put these down and just show you the inside of the box, you know, just because I didn't do that last time. So got the whole thing there. So they go all out with these boxes and just the box that they're shipped in and the packaging. So you know, they do these right. Artifacts. So here's your tag there. Let you look at that. And this is small. Artifacts times Nike Dunk, and it's the Genesis G. And these are wolf gray and white. Call them Ghost. And HQ3034 made in China. And you know, you got the see-through at the top. You can see the tissue paper, and it opens up right here, and it's the drawer style box. Show you the bottom, whole box there, and it pulls out. Woo-hoo-hoo. Man, let's look at them. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yes. So as before, they come with stickers, and it comes with this little heel clip, and this goes on the front of the tongue there. I'll show you the back. It's got the little logo. So I'll show you all the little details and stuff. I don't know if it's coming off on the camera there. It's looking a little hard to see. I don't know, whatever. And I'll show you the stickers. There you go. Oops, you stepped into the future. Also, the little robot sneaker on top. Colorways there. The little vials and stuff. What was it? Ghost, Clone, Genesis, and Void. Jump close look at that. Yeah, that's the stickers. Little cool touch. This way. Does come with like a little separator thing there. You know, they do great work with the packaging and how everything comes. Let's go some heel here. This way. Put this on here. So these, I forgot what the number is. I'll put it up on the screen. There's like 8,000 pairs they did of these. They did a little bit more limited than the other pair, which I brought out. Yeah. Come with an additional set of laces here. You know, a little bit more durable. And, you know, these are a little different. They're a little bit more elasticy. Well, they feel very plastic and see-through-y, actually. Very see-through plastic. I don't know if that's coming off on camera. So, very clean colorway. So, yeah, just showed you how this looks there on the tongue. And then you got your little extra stuff here going on. Little vials there that you lace here. And yeah, and the insole, I believe it has a thing where you scan so you can register the sneaker and whatnot. So I'll show you a little bit really quick. So there, supposedly if you scan it, it's like connected to like the whole, again, I'm not great with this, like some kind of blockchain thing, I don't know, where it knows who owned the pairs, I guess. I don't know. I didn't really do crazy research on it, but that's what I had seen and heard. So yeah, I'm just looking at these really quick. So the bottom, the outsole is like a clear outsole. A little bit of gray hit there. Solid gray. A little see-through action there. Lets you know the comfort. You got the air zoom. Got the logo here, artifact here on the lateral side, that logo again. So it's like really different than your normal Dunk. And you have this like synthetic upper, like a vinyl upper here on the mud guard, going up to the eye stays, towards the heel here. A different vinyl material here, different gray. You have this different type of, it still kind of looks vinyl-y here in the underlay here, and that same material here on your vamp with your perforations there. So this is very all synthetic upper. You got this like white contrast in the swoosh there, online with the gray, the plastic. These are very when I say all synthetic, there's no like premium leather like the other pair had. So just so anybody's wondering, has synthetic tongue, it gives it off this like shiny look to it, you know, so that's cool. Gives a little bit of pop, as this is like toned down, the whole sneaker. But just wearing these will be like, people will be like, what is that you got on feet, man? What are you rocking? You know? So, and then your sock liner is gray. Your insole is gray and has the Nike and artifacts in white there in the little box there. And like I already showed you, in the insole it has the whole like thing that you like scan and whatever. It takes you to a website that you're able to like register them or whatever. I still haven't even done to the other one. So, but yeah, it gives you that whole thing. So that's cool. And this is like for the gamer community, you know, people that are into like live streaming and stuff like that, and going to these events and stuff like that. So yeah, this is what is going on with these updated Dunks. So yeah, what would I rate these? I would rate these what they are. I'd rate these like an 8. Nothing crazy, you know. It's a clean colorway. The materials is nothing crazy. It's not a must, you know. It's great. I added them. I did a pre-order on these last November, and they got here in August, early August. So yeah, was it like, I don't know, how many months is that? 9 months. The other one was like 8 months. So yeah, I mean, they were ready, but they just like, you know, spaced it out. Nike sneakers, they still haven't released these, so I don't know when they're releasing, but I got the pair a week ago already. So, and I will show you the other pair that I got and did the review on. It's right here. So I did pre-order on both of them, and these, you know, pop a little bit more, even though they're all black. Got that color that helps make them pop, and it has that like little fade action going on. Different material. So this one has like a leather upper, premium leather upper, but it has a canvas upper as well. So just so you know, when ordering these sneakers and stuff like that, they do give off very futuristic vibes, but they're not going too crazy on the material. But we'll see in the future, you know, what they'll be changing it up to, you know, because this is what they want. They want their vision out, and you know, who knows, later on when Nike and Artifacts collabs with other people or whatever, whoever is able to get their hands on these or whatever, you know how it all works, and they'll be able to retool it. Because this is just another play, you know, the same thing with like the SB line. It's the same as the Dunk, they just changed it up. So we got this one here, the Artifact Nike Dunk Genesis, and it's gonna have its own line, and you know, you gotta figure they'll do collabs with this as well. It's just what it is. And Artifacts is owned by Nike, so you know, there won't be no like, oh, you know, same thing like with Converse, whoever dabs with Nike is going to be able to work on Converse sneakers, you know. So, and here it is, man. Hope you enjoyed this review, man. I'm excited to finally wear these. You know, I was waiting to get the other one in hand so I could just, you know, show you in hand, you know, how they look, the outsoles and whatnot. So there we go. Yeah, I'm excited for what they'll be able to do. I see them doing some kind of like glow in the dark edition, you know. It'll be a slow rollout, and excited to see what other silhouettes they'll be using, you know, from the archive and whatnot. You know, they've used the Air Force One, and we'll see, man. Getting close to SneakerCon, because that's around the time where they came out last year, and that's like another time to do a big push. So, you know, we'll see what is coming out, and if they'll be able to do pre-orders again, you know. So, YouTube, that's the video. Hope you enjoyed it. It's your boy Logan J. I'm signing out. Peace.